I get asked this question a lot. Austin, will Shiba Inu ever bounce back? Will it go back up? When will it go back up? We're going to talk about that. We're going to address that in this video. And the good news is here that there is on chain data to suggest that Shiba Inu is kind of poised, ready for a recovery, ready to start moving up. And we're going to talk about this also in the context of the larger crypto market and things that have to happen to Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall crypto market for this to work as well. So thanks for your time. Hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already done so. So let's take a look at this. So right now, SHIB's at about 2.9% up. It's trading at that 506893 range. If we look at kind of say the 1 month chart, we can see that we were consolidating at that 5087 for quite a while. For about 3 weeks, we had this drop because of an overall larger macro, kind of larger crypto move down in the broader crypto market. And now we've consolidated at this 5068 range. We've been here for about 7 or 8 days. And I think that this is the bottom. Now, this is the bottom. We're not going to drop any lower as long as the overall crypto market itself doesn't get impacted with any kind of real negative news. Right now, you see the crypto market is up about 3%. So we're at 1 trillion, 1.0 trillion, 1.07 trillion as far as market capitalization. Okay. So there is, as I mentioned, on-chain data that suggests that Shiba Inu is poised for a price recovery. If we kind of look at what has brought us here, is that Shiba Inu has moved down not through any fault of its own. And I talk about this a lot in videos. It's moved down because of the overall general move down in crypto, because of all of the bad that's been going on around crypto. The SEC suing Binance, Coinbase, effectively the SEC coming after crypto in general, all those different sentiments. And so it's really been that stuff that's been kind of overall moving the price of SHIB and Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and Polygon and all these things down, for the majority of 23, et cetera. Now, we've had a couple of bright spots, but that's really what's been going on. Okay. So there is, like I said, on-chain data that shows that sentiment surrounding Shiba Inu has continued to improve. Weighted sentiment metric, which measures investors' sentiment, basically means how they feel about it, has increased over the past week. Okay, so we've got that. That's some on-chain data right there. It shows, because again, we're getting an improvement in investor, how they feel about SHIB. That's on-chain data. We've also had a lot of whales buying a lot at these kind of price levels, locking in really low cost. Okay, and we've also got the into the block data further confirming a renewal of confidence among investors. Notably, the Shiba Inu bid-ask volume on exchanges has increased by 5.2%, indicating a bullish trend. Okay, so this trend is usually triggered by an uptick in bullish sentiment. Again, bullish, how people feel, and a surge in buying pressure during a downturn. It could indicate an imminent price reversal. But the overall consensus is that it's turning bullish, right? And that we'll see this start to move up. Now, final thoughts here. Okay. So final thoughts around now, kind of all that said, take that and put it aside for a minute. You also have to look at the price of Shiba Inu and what's going on with SHIB in the context of the broader market, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Where are they at? What are they doing? Are they moving up or down? Because quite frankly, bottom line, Shiba Inu is going to move along with the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If it's going down, if the overall, opinion or investor emotional sentiment around, say, Bitcoin and Ethereum moves the other way, then you're going to see the price of SHIB move down as well. Or if we have a surprise coming from the Federal Reserve on, raising rates or, things like that. If we have some kind of a global event, you're going to see the price of all of crypto, inclusive of Shiba Inu, move down. It's just something you need to be aware of. It doesn't live in a vacuum. Okay. So we're looking at all these variables and we're going, okay, is it going to, are we at the bottom for Shiba Inu? I think yes. The caveat around that, my only comment around that is yes, as long as we don't get a major bad macro event that impacts all of crypto or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay. So yes, I think where the bottom is in where we're at currently right now, we're 5068 and change. So as long as we don't get any kind of negative event in that context, I think we're good. And I think, yes, I think we will start to see Shiba Inu, start to move back up. All of the on-chain data that I just showed you, those 2 or 3 variables that we're looking at, are showing improvement and are showing that people are starting to buy more. I'm also tracking whale activity. Whales are starting to buy more because they love these lower cost structures, and they're locking in and buying SHIB at these lower costs. And you always kind of track the smart money as well, the whales and things of that nature. Food for thought. All right, go make some money. As always, I'm here for you. Hit that subscribe down below. I'll see you.